What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I guess we'll call this part 2 of getting the truck back together. If y'all saw my last video, I took everything apart, intake manifold and everything. I did get another intake manifold for it. I cleaned all the surface off the block. I got all the old gasket off and the silicone that it had, so it's ready for the other intake. Here's the intake, guys. I did get one off the junkyard. I did clean it really good. I painted it. I painted the top red and the bottom black. I think it looks good. But I replaced everything, new gaskets, everything. So it's ready to go. So it's late in the day already. I kind of picked up the vlog a little bit late. So I'm hoping just to set this one on top of the block and at least get it bolted up, and we'll continue it another day. But before I continue with the truck, I would like to thank the new subscribers and the old subscribers that subscribed since the beginning. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And if you want to continue to see more of the trucks, of the Yukon, the Colorado, and my lifted truck, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, share the videos, and hit that notification bell, so as soon as I post a video, y'all are the first ones that get the notification. And I just want to say thank y'all, and I got a lot of more things coming, so stay tuned and subscribe, guys. So let's get to it and bolt the intake manifold to the 350. I also got new intake manifold gaskets. It's a complete kit that I bought, and it has all the gaskets that you need to install your intake manifold. So we're going to install these first, and then we're going to install the silicone where it needs to go, and we'll bolt it up. I got the intake manifold installed already. I got it bolted down, torqued it down to spec already, so it's all ready to go. I also installed the distributor and the fuel lines in the back. I went ahead and knocked that out. Now I got to install the valve covers and the distributor cap, which I also painted as the same color as the rest. So yeah, time to install the distributor cap, the valve covers, new gaskets that y'all see also. And from there, it's just gonna be plug and play, trying to get all the wire harness connected and water lines connected. So, and she'll be ready to turn on. So let's jump back into it. Quick update. I got the distributor cap installed. I got the valve covers installed. I gotta sort out the wiring harness and everything, but you know, we'll keep working on it. I am gonna get a new AC compressor, and I got the line that goes to it. That's new too. I'm gonna buy that, and also get the AC running at the same time. So we're just gonna continue at it, guys, and you know, let me sort out some of this wiring harness, where it needs to go, and the sensors and the plugs, and I'll give you another quick update. So let's just continue, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, the truck is complete. It's done. All the wiring harness in this place on. Everything. New AC compressor. New AC line. Everything. Now the trucks, I had it done a couple of days ago, but I actually did something wrong. And I didn't mark the distributor when I pull it out. So I just took it out and didn't even think about it. So when I put everything back together and I wanted it to start, it wouldn't start. And you know, I was trying to figure it out and everything. The timing was off. So I literally worked on it for about 3 days where I couldn't get the timing right. And with these motors, if it's not set like where it's supposed to, the truck is not going to turn on. So that what was happening to this one. The timing was off. But finally, I got the timing on, you know, on point. The truck turned on. I did leave it on, make sure, you know, it didn't leak water, it didn't leak oil or no. I just make sure it didn't leak from anywhere. But as you can see, it's all complete. The motor's all there, all built. I already got the grill put on. I put the hood on. It's ready to go. I haven't turned it on today, so I'm gonna give you a little cold start of the truck and how it sounds. So let me turn it on so y'all can hear it. Guys, one more thing, the truck doesn't overheat no more. The temperature, it stays where it's supposed. She's A1 again, so there she is, guys. She's running again. We're gonna go get some gas on her right now. She's pretty low on gas, and probably we'll give it a quick wash, since there's a car wash right next to the gas station where I'm going. So we'll give her a little rinse. We washed the truck already. Ya le dimos su lavadita. She looking real clean. So yeah, guys, she's ready to hit the streets one more time. More things coming for the Yukon. The flip kit. I still got to do the gas tank relocation. So y'all stay tuned for those videos, guys. That's going to be it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.